Hey friends, it's Kimberly, and I cannot wait to show you what just landed here at Kimberly's Fabric Stash. If you love soft, cozy flannels as much as I do, you're going to want to grab a cup of coffee and hang out with me for a minute. These are so good. All right, first up, navy houndstooth. Tell me this isn't gorgeous. It's classic, clean, and it has that perfect mix of cozy and sophisticated. I love navy and quilts because it plays well with everything, and this pattern has just enough texture to make your project pop without being loud. Next is this navy windowpane flannel, and oh my goodness, the vibes. It has the timeless tailored look like the world's coziest button-up shirt. It's soft, double brushed, and perfect for quilts, pillow covers, shirts, all of it. It's understated and beautiful. And staying with navy, here's the color wash variation. This one feels almost vintage, like a washed, well-loved flannel shirt that you've had for years. The tone-on-tone texture is subtle but so pretty. Great for quilt backs or anything you want something soft and rich. Okay, shifting to red, and this houndstooth is a showstopper. Bright, bold, and perfect for holiday sewing. It's soft and graphic, and honestly, it just feels festive. If you're making a Christmas quilt, this one wants to be in it. Next is the black window pane, and this one is classy. Black and crisp lines, super clean, very modern farmhouse. It's one of those patterns you can use anywhere, quilts, pajamas, even tote bags, and it always looks intentional. And here's the black color wash. Ooh, this one is gorgeous. Deep, moody charcoal with that wash texture. It gives it so much character. Super cozy, super rich. This is a perfect quilt backing fabric if you want something dramatic, but still soft and mellow. Now let's talk about this red plaid. If flannel had a classic holiday queen, this would be her. It's warm, it's cheerful, it's nostalgic. Everything you want in a winter quilt. And the softness, so good. And the last one in this haul is the textured black. I love this because it's not just plain black. The texture has a little visual interest without fighting with your other prints. It's a great blender, backing, or grounding fabric. Super versatile. If you want to shop any of these flannels, check the link in the description. They're all available now. Thanks for hanging out with me, friends. I love doing these little fabric chats. Make sure to subscribe if you want more quilting inspiration, hauls, or tutorials. Happy stitching!